Good morning. Just driving back from Golden, BC, where Shirley and I spent the weekend. And Shirley spent time thinking about the workshop that she and Kelly Lynch are putting on this weekend, entitled
Wiring for Resilience.
And it's about music and the brain, right?
That's what it's about.
So we made a little video last night, kind of had some fun. We'd play something on her cello and ask Rue and I what we thought of it, how it made us feel. So here's the video. This is happening on Saturday, March 30th at the National Music Center. Again, the wiring and music in the brain with Shirley on cello and Kelly Lynch. So here's some pieces. Check it out.